Hey guys, so today I'm coming to you with another DIY skincare recipe because not only did you guys request it, but because as I mentioned in my last video, I'm trying to be more strict with my budget, which means using up what I have and supplementing with products that I make myself. So today we're gonna make an exfoliating mask, and this is something that will subsequently help with hyperpigmentation, since I know that is a common concern for a lot of us, me included. So I'm first starting off with pumpkin because I've noticed that this is an ingredient that I see a lot, and I was curious as to why. So it turns out that it contains a proteolytic enzyme, which basically means it breaks down proteins. So I figured this would be a good ingredient for breaking down those bonds that hold your dead skin cells together. But there is some debate about how effective it is at exfoliating, and on top of that, canned pumpkin is cooked. But regardless, I thought this would be a nice base for the mask. So to that, I also added bromelian. This is another enzyme that's extracted from pineapples, and people normally take it as a supplement to help with digestion. I figured if it's good enough to break down food, then it's definitely good enough to break down the glue that holds your dead skin cells together. So the intent here is that it makes it similar to an AHA mask. And to be completely honest with you, this ingredient is really rank. So to disguise the smell and to add some other benefits, I added ginger and cinnamon, and I also added some neem oil and glycerin. And while I would love to go in full detail about why I use all of these ingredients, it could be really difficult to pack it into a short amount of time. So that information will be in the description box below, along with the full recipe and measurements. So if you guys really like making your own skincare or are trying to do a no by November like I am right now, then I do highly recommend that you check out this class that I've been watching on Skillshare. Because I don't think that finances are talked about enough, especially in the beauty community where it's really important. So if you have somehow not heard of Skillshare, then they are an online learning platform where you can learn how to pick up new skills either in your personal life or incorporate them into your business. Nowadays, with the market being so saturated, it could be difficult to keep up and to stay on top of the information that you need to run a small business, or if you're already running a successful business, to actually expand. So personally, I use it a lot. And one of the most important things to me is that I'm able to do that affordably, because let's not forget there are tons of webinars and seminars out there, but look at what you have to pay for them. So, I mean, there's no denying that Skillshare is really affordable. It's less than $10 a month, and I barely notice it coming out of my account. So I really can't recommend it enough. And if you guys do want to try it out, then you can get 2 months free by just using my link in the description box below. Now, if you guys like this video, all I ask is that you give it a thumbs up because it really lets me know what you want to see more of. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. And if you have any suggestions, don't be scared to leave them in the comments. And I'll see you next week. Bye.